clock way phone. That me I tell you no pussy. Boy, you come play voice note for life. I'm send him one next one, I'm say pussy play that. And when him play it again, I send him one more. And him play it. I'm say boy, you see I've sent a man come thumping in your blood clot face. But here, your hype, use a look of hype looker. Everything you do 6, you do for hype. Me there for the live what there. And you pull a stunt for me again. You can't wash your hand before you eat. Me there blood clot paintball and shit. You take up your hand and touch shit. And you get up and you name the blood clot food same way. And nobody never tell you to wash your hand. But you know that for the blood clot internet, I don't want a good name, but you doing all those work. Can you go and wash your hand? You know, you hear me pull the bumbo class stunt on him. Me say, pussy, what you already a paintball shooting. And you name all shit down there. You're the blood clot, you never go wash your hand. You not laugh, me not laugh for my dead mother life, me not laugh. Me not laugh with none of no better, I'm serious. Cause you see say man, my blood clot style, me bro. Busy boner man. Yeah bro. Enough time bro. Like you know I come. Yo, dog, ex-gang, me not talk about it outside when we just come and watch. Me I talk to my family now. We never notice how they come and feel like me are less. We don't notice how everybody come and feel like me are less boy. We never notice it. Just look into yourself, bro, and look how they treat man, dog. They treat man like I less, boy. I saw them get up and treat man, dog. Like, me I less. Whatever we do, era off we do. And whatever this or that. Pussy me no need none of no. None of no pussy me no need. That me I tell you no. I don't put on the camera, boy. Anything me talk and people love me. People blood clot love me from the bottom of their heart. You know a fake a pussy. Batty boy 6. Come turn on your live last night, I come talk. When Swiss lady get him bumbo clot, blood clot, we got turn up in a shower. Oh, no never go on so. Oh, no never go on so. This morning a blood clot, this morning me have to brush my teeth 4 times. Last time I did a club, a blood clot chopper party. Every time I talk, blood clot chopper must say, I say, hero, your mouth stink. I leave out a liquor when my blood clot drink, me get drunk and never make my mouth still stink a blood clot garlic. And this morning I say, me want my tongue. I have nothing blood clot tongue. And I said, so, the garlic just go around me 2 blood clot Heineken. One night, last night, in a 2 part where we go my mouth think a blood clot garlic. From the mouth of garlic. I'm a blood clot chai. One time I talk to Chopper, I say, dog, why me can't talk to me in my ears and they talk so loud? Cause me no want say to Chopper say, Chopper, where you drink? Me Chopper go say, go text and say, yo, me go smell hero mouth and you think. So me there Chopper ears, Chopper, where you drink, Chopper? Chopper say, dog, you chat to my ears so loud and my ears are there. Come here, say, boy, me don't want the breath for reflect and smell in a club. Come on, think of blood clot garlic last night. Pussy, you know, see there, Jamaica. I hear no. You know what get me mad last night? When Donia say how much garlic you have. I say how much? You know, Donia tell me if you name 6. You're Donia now, name 6. But when I tell a man to go get there, you don't want to get there. Don't I tell you something, don't I never have nothing yet, you know. I mean, we never have nothing, but don't I a mad blood clot man. Me a mad man. And anybody can tell you things right now, if you turn on your life, you can answer me or disrespect me. Just watch him screen record them first. Because don't I want cussing mood today. Because I feel like me I get style. Because when I see 6 go last night and paint a picture, and nobody can come say, yo, you know, so we turn on your people. None of them never ever turn on their live and say, hero, people, this is something that we come up with for fun. We talk on the phone. Here what them are going to say to me, they can't control their chat. So if you can't tell a chat, say this is something that we plan for entertainment. So we can get entertainment and bring back fun on the app. You're gonna allow your chat to disrespect me. Me now come back in and not with you know. Cause me now gonna be the old clock where people can walk over. Not when my team are giving them hard working money. Then he's another young girl with the pan dancing pole. DJ another young blood clot girl. Tell me if you get up in a blood clot cool every morning and they send me a lion. Funk them. Pink them. The whole of them. So me not have nobody over here when me can go send me cock to. And then go back them fist tweet. I don't have nobody like that 6. If they not have it, they not have it. You notice a 1 week now, me not get little gift. Cause me people them have bills. And me can't send me cock go give them. And then get a little thing. So go behave your bumbo class self. And know you yourself. And Swiftly, I love you as a brother. I love you as a son when I take under my wings. But at times I love you from a distance. Time I love you from a distance, brother. And I will never drop no ounce of love for you. At times I love you from a distance, brother. I used to put the line on the neck for over and over and everything. And this when I talk to you right now with cold bumper take me. I used to have to go love from a distance now, bro. Big man thing. Because there's no way you're going to have your friend. And you chop off your 2 hands and your friend can't give you even a finger. Your friend can't even give you a finger, you lose your 2 hands. So what mean this a friendship of? Are you alone again? Me alone the people that I beat. So they made this I say, bro, I will love you from a distance, bro. You see me? Now stop loving you, dog. Come in a pussy hole, you know. But I love you from a distance, dude. I feel like a mutual love where we have for each other. I feel like mine upper than for you. And you're not supposed to be that way. So the way I go say to them, I stay to myself. So I can go keep on a court and keep on a dare game. I just stay to myself, my boss. Come over here, set me look up line bowling, me look up money gun them. If Perry want admin I want series, I can promote a serious way now and go in a series with Perry them. Otherwise so that come over here play back my music and dance. I do nothing, I do my thing. I now make allow me to be a stepping stone and people can this again. You understand? Me a trip, me 6ixKTV last night again. So why every time me in idea game is a problem? And me bring vibes. Other day when I play a day game, I see no screen record we don't know. Nobody now talk about it. Only when I play a day game, people even comment and say, me never know more miss era for a day game. And me talk shit. And me talk shit for people them shoot for no. Me brand myself as a fucking public enemy #1. If you hold on to get a blood clot highlight. And none of them never can hold on the phone and say, people, you know, so we do this for fun and entertainment. Because what? You know, sweet, so now get gift. So you know that make people kill me for gift. You know make people just kill me for gift. So here what go on, bro. I love you as a brother, bro. I just can't do it no more. I can't do it no more, dog. Me a big man. I can't have no use me no more. Me in this game way before you know. At 15 years now, me I do this. 15 years and the same thing when I claim so I accomplish me accomplish too. I mean now I'm gonna make you do this to me no more. When I pussy up my thing. None of you can come and say era, you know say fans. You know say me and Donia and Swiftly talk and World Dog talk and this is a plan thing. I will come here so for fun. You know that make people them slaughter me. And I una alone a family for represent for. I una alone in a no bagga. But me always have in a bagga just in a place and name look good. But I don't stop it, bro. I'm tired of it. I can't do it no more. Same thing one can do, I can't do it. Yeah. Same thing. 6 you come a friend where they are 2 look a bill reach and you run back a yard. And last night you have cost for your life so your people them support and you have everything like how every man have everything. You reach a friend and 2 bills run you. And you cut your blood clot time short because you see say all the things them over here expensive. Imagine when me will live over here and do this for years. So don't fuck yourself. And stop going like you want style me for your life. But me, sister, last night you are pussy. 6, you are pussy last night. But me see you play the voice note on the live. Me really, sister, use an attention seeker. And you love attention. You is an attention seeker. And you see true, you can't get no fame for yourself or hype because the people them not find you funny. Or the people them not try to find you attractive but let you send a cock go give them. You have to ride people wave. Me not have to ride Swiss Lee wave. Me not have to ride Donia wave. Me not have to ride nobody wave over here, sir. I be myself and people love me. How much you can be on yourself? If you don't be on yourself right now, people hate you. Because on the real self, people don't like you. Not even on yourself don't like on the real self. Because you know on yourself. So when this thing lock off, you know pussy in a real life. You know pussy. So you're afraid to show the real colors over here. Because you're afraid how people are going to judge you. You can't come and do what I do. Get loud and cuss. Because you is a fucking snake. You're a pussy. So when I come and do, you're a pussy. You are a pussy. And have attention, you look, and views. Remember me tell you that. Mind game. One of you come and play mind game for me. So you turn on the live last night, I look hype. Alright. When you any live, you know, well look up this and go bonus serious and calm down, cause some man know. Nobody know you're 6. Come on, man. Style, man, them style up. I feel like you can come on and style me. None of you no bigger than me. None of you no bigger than me, brother. None. Come here and do this long bomb buckler time. Turn on the live and come go on like you're somebody. Big man thing. Take man for pussy dog. And my dog them say, oh, why am I going so? My dog I'll go over there and chat. I say, batty boy, where you going so? Pussy. And then block my dog. So I go over the two. And I say, hey boy, then block me too. That's why I tell you no moderator from man. If you don't see none of them over, you block them. Block them. Because my dog I say 6, you're pussy for you go on. My dog go over the last time, my dog say you're pussy. In black it down, my dog say where you go on 6, you're pussy. But I don't need none of the dog. Come hype up my thing, dog. And pussy 2,000 people will have on for your life today. Unless you come back and call my name last night, unless you come back and call my name today, you're going to have them people there. Because only way you have blood clot people when you attack. Today you turn on the live at 200 back going over there. Pussy. And last night you hold on a pussy wall. Because one person I shoot for 300 last night. And the 300 gang me last night. And I come and I want to do no there. And you can go out with a suck cock cell. Mama, I'm not frightened for you no mama. Go suck out your mother. I'm not frightened for you. Go suck out your mother. 3 somebody I shoot. 1 somebody I shoot for 3 person last night because I don't know I lose. And me don't want to do it there. Go suck out to the mother. You mama. Go suck out your mama. Brawling too. See me like none of the pussy, me not beg none of no gift, you never give me it. Anyway, I'm telling you bum buckle like this. All the way I'm gonna come here so. I'm good up on the bum buckle like this and cry. And it's Tommy, Dennis, DJ, Sweet Step, and the one of them plan for bum buckle that left me and my son. Otherwise, I'm gonna suck out to the woman and go ahead. These are the people that changed my bum buckler life. Pussy. Me don't miss you who want to like me. But any day, these people come. If Dennis texts me right now and says she have a problem or DJ, me start fret. Me whole blood clot there get traumatized. Because these people who come and spend their hard working money and blood clot support me. And all Dennis tell me to do is do great. All my son tell me to do great. You see what they have come and build my content room? You see how much bumper clap money DJ and they spend for me? And when me come off I like DJ text me, Say if a blood clot come on life so she can shoot. Hero me recharge. Tell you over there game, brother. The man text me last night. When the man tell me, say, hold your own. Yo, bro. Yeah, dog text me, say. If you never come like me, would have said it. Yeah, dog text me last night. Over one dear game. All you boy, me see the pre. Me I stay to myself. Me say to the dog, so me text back and say, dog, you're good, dog. Me say, yo, dog, you're good, fam. Every man have problem with dear game. A simple thing for resolve. And me send one emoji so. Then me text the dog and me say, yo, go on for me, so man. Because I know mistake. Me say, yo, dog, go on for me, so man. The dog say, yo, me don't understand the mistake. Me say, you, me, man, G, big up yourself. Me say, yo, bro, live up yourself, bro, and focus, G. That's how me text the man and say, live up yourself and focus. The man say, big up, man. Wish you nothing but the best. Me send the dog one heart emoji and the emoji, so. The dog text me back this morning, you know, me wake up, you know. And the dog text me and say, me nah do no more court and dear game, bro. Me I stay to myself. Me text the dog and say, ah, fam. Oh, we feel style, bro. Oh, we feel style over one dear game, bro. Oh, we feel style over one dear game. Bro, and this man always want me look like me a pussy, dog. Always want me look like one pussy, bro. And this man can't point out, oh, me a pussy, bro. This man can't point out, oh, me a pussy, dog. Oh, me a pussy, bro. Oh. This man can't point out, oh, me a pussy, dog. Oh, me a pussy, bro. Bro, a simple dear game. Simple dear game, bro. What they will play with dear game? Who cut? Bro, you know what they call the man and say, bro? Me even call the man and say, yo, bro. Dad, the whole of we are friend, bro. Stop make dear game jar we out, bro. So before dear game jar we out, buy some Pepsi and buy some flour. And make you know, say, since the dear game I get hard, bro. Every man, if a man lose, them throw three, the whole of the sword upon them. The whole of the sword upon them and throw flour upon them. And that me call the man and say, I say, bro, the whole of we are friend, dog, and we are priest, say, yo. We are work together as a team. That me call the man and say, bro. Me say, yo, load the dear game that the whole of we are friend, bro. Here what we are going to do, bro. Donia buy a case of soda. 6 buy a case of soda. Triple buy a case of soda. Any man lose, throw it upon themselves, bro. Entertain the people, them, bro, and all our vibes. That me simply say to the man, bro. Boom, the man say, alright, bro. We are work together, bro. We call the man again. Me say, father, what time we are going to do dear game? He asked, bro, 8 o'clock. We say, alright, bro. Forward upon the live. 8 o'clock we are going to do their game. Same, so I call 6. I say, yo, 6. What time you come up on live? 6 say, yo, 8 o'clock. Donia, what time? Donia say, bro, alright, forward on. Bro, every time their game and somebody fall out, me have to say something. Chat, and realize when I play their game, I quiet because I fret. When I play the game, I saw me quiet. And I play the game. When a man no want to do a man there, a man want me to jump up and say, yo, do that there. Me can't do it, bro. This a man I get him score, so I'm gonna jump on the man score like I miss send the man him give. That the whole of we are friend, bro. That me don't know if the man feel like say, dog. Me don't know if the man feel like say, bro. When me and 6M talk about him. I never that, bro. We not talk about you, none tall, brother. We just, anytime we call 6 about game. See there at that him, the people them say that the man say. You see, bro? That means say, alright, go chat. Chat, you say me have a, I'm tell you something. You say me have a, as a dog. You say me have a dog. And me have to say my dog, I chat me with the next man, and I'm my dog that, bro. And I'm my dog that, bro. And I'm my dog that.
Cause there's no way me can have a mindset, so yo, my dog can chat me with the next dog. Bro, a dear game and fun, bro. Dear game and fun and entertainment, bro. Me give man dear chat, when me play dear game, now me give the easiest day them, you know. Cause me afraid of it, you know. When me I give dear, you know, me give the easiest day, me I tell them, me leave you alright, watch when the game I play. We never see me ask someone, so yo, let me see a toothpaste so you put on your arm. Brother, me start the game. But if you busy, if you put the toothpaste on your arm. Me if you busy, if you put the toothpaste on your arm, bro. I saw the dad make it look like say me and the man them sit down and chat him, bro. Bro, Donia older than me. 6. Bro, only time me talk to 6ixKTV, God bust me, ask 6 I win about their game. If me I talk to Triple about their game. If me I talk to Donia tell me say Swiss, we need content. Cause be that Donia talk about content, bro. We need some content. Me and this me and them man not talk about no pretend to no man, brother. God bust me, bro. Me and them man not talk about no pretend to them man, bro. Remember saying in a chat, me I give a man there in a chat, me give man easy there in a bro. Me give man easy there, bro. Me not give people hard there, brother. Me give the man them easy there. So the man I give them there when me give them. Cause me smart, me I say, yo, if them man go start win, I'm gonna give them man one serious there, me have to go do back a serious there. Bro, if we don't go Florida, I don't go Fort Lauderdale, I call it Dawg, right? I say, yo, bro, we are gonna do that content today, you know, where you pray. The dog say, alright, sprinkler foot, nothing can move. Pull up a foot. Me say, alright, pull up there. We go do a paintball shooting, no cut. Come in say dog a family man, bro. Say dog if you don't run him, you don't run him mute. I have to understand, if a family man, if you are the writer, so right now, and me and Rebel even the writer, so right now, Rebel gonna work. Me have to go watch you them, bro, till Rebel come back. Also relationship go any woman you there with, bro. So you have to know code as a dog, so you watch you know. This a man not go free like we with the writer, so bro. But we can't do anything, bro. We can't drive go 4 hours a day come back. This a man go there in yard. I watch him mute them, bro. So you can't pray if say, yo, if we are go there, so if we are fly there, so look how much time the man tell us, so yo, bro, we gonna fly, go right to start joke it out. Look how much time the man gonna tell us, so yo, dog, fly, go right to start joke it out. Bro, me and this man, me know this man I talk about, chat. God bust me. Me know this man I talk about, dog. Two big man. Who have them own life, bro. You can't say them thing, them friend. And I make it look like me and the man them sit down and a chat here, bro. Me have to do what I say do me can do, bro. Cause you have a family, bro. Me alone the writer, so bro. You have to look on it, so bro. So me look on it. When me a call you, me I say, yo, world dog, go do a content. You know what me tell Donia, Mr. Donia? Don't feel father no want to do no content. Me say father, family man, bro. Them man they work on certain time, brother. If we put in some work right now, father might be able to go on film live about 5 o'clock. I dog have him youth. I dog have him thing where I deal with, brother. I that me tell Donia. When we go party Donia, I say my father, them I say, bro, if I understand, so father have him family, bro. When the man make him call you and tell you, so yo, him a forward. I saw me tell the man, brother. Ask the man. Stop them thing there, bro. Cause if you even call my mother, bro. You for sure, you, bro, you are reason my mother. You never come back for life then, bro. If you dead, make me and my mother talk and me show mommy premier so mommy watch now so this go. This will come on the internet, but everything you do, bro, no one bring for internet and then they say, man no rate. Now no rate, man, when you look on it, bro. Cause me, me know for everything you bring for internet, bro. You text me yesterday and say, yo, you stay to yourself. You see, I laugh off of you, bro. Me laugh off of you, brother, cause me no business where you want, say, brother. Me laugh off of you, bro. Nobody never know you text me that. Over one day game. When me ain't have nothing. Stop me look like me a pussy every time, bro. Every time me look like pussy, bro. Every time, bro. Every time, brother. I tell the people them say, yo, this and that. Ray, blah, blah. Ray, blah, blah, brother. Yeah, my mother reason, bro. You never come back on live then. If you just come for your life and come turn on your match and talk about if you talk about 6, you talk about 6, because you have 6 fall out, bro. I try to show you, bro. Everything someone on the internet, my name, I call. How we not have nothing to do, bro. Me just say so boom and normal. A dear game, bro. One look at dear game, bro. All we talk, I say that we're gonna play some dear game. All our vibes, run some joke, do what we have to do, bro. One dear game, bro. What you do want me to say? What you do want me to say? 6 year pussy and the 2 on my dog. The whole out there foreign, brother. Me not have no chat. I try to show you, bro. Me always what me to say last night, team. What me to say him and 6 have something. What me to say? I am a friend. What me to say? And 6 are my friend. And a dear game. What me to say to 6? You gonna text me and tell me, say, yo, bro, all you boy, me I pray you. What me to say? A dear game, bro, you lose. What do you not chat when me no want to do my, you remember me there in Florida? And me no want to do my dear, and the 3 man them down for me. Donia laugh. 6 a laugh. Yo, a lion me just get. Come do me there. He might tell me, say, Swiftly, you go like you pass. Bro, I know, bro, look how much time you say something, bro. I look at it and laugh, brother. I never say you style me. Last night as you joined the life, you know what I said? I look at it and laugh. I not pray as my dog. I show you a simple thing what you do last night. I never look at it and say, bro, why you always go like you want to style me? Me have on the granny thing. Bro, why you couldn't be a grandfather? Why you be a woman granny? As you join the life. I'm not saying no, bro. I never shot me yet, bro. Why you just up as a granny? Why could you be a grandpa? And me laugh it off and say, play the game. Why you try to say this? So me like a girl more than me act like man. And me laugh it off. Nah, this a dog. So stop him look like me a pussy, bro. Nah, this a dog. Me nah this a bro. Me nah this a bro. Me never this a yet, brother, no matter what you say about me, bro. And people say, Swiftly afraid of real dog. Yeah. If I that them have it as I that them have it as, cause me have it as my dog, brother. So me deal with things, bro. And then people always make me look like the pussy cause I'm quiet. Me I shut my mouth and me I say, you know what, make it stay. Yeah, my mother reason, bro. You know if you go up on live, you and 6 a play one day game, bro. And the man tell you do one day and you tell 6 you not do him there. Only are 2 big man, bro. Only sort out on the thing, brother. And you do your dear and then you hold back 6 and make 6 do back him there. I want to look at their game, my friend. What do you jump out of the game? Do cheer on and cuss me. I say, Swiftly, you're a girl. Swiftly, you're a passenger princess. And me laugh. And me turn it in a joke. Me I say, know me the close and me thump in your face. Cause me that, bro. Nothing about me, dog. Me I say, know me there, yeah, bro. Me thump in your face and turn it back in a joke. And I go play it senseless. I'm there the normal, bro. I end my life, bro. That don't want to mean, bro.